What's going on, everybody? Stock Chuck here. Amazing day, $22,215 in the entire day. The first hour trading was $9,334, and that's what we're about to go over. Crazy day, a lot of news plays that we hit up later on. Just a phenomenal day. Good start to the month, being the second day, coming off of yesterday's nice win. So we're up nicely, about 30K on the month. Yeah, about 30K on the month. So just really great start. Before I get into trades, if you don't already know, I have a live free trading chat room. It's just a community of people that are looking to help each other make money in the stock market. That's all we're there for. It's completely free. We've got about 1,000 people live in Twitch when I stream, and another 4,000 members of the Discord channel. So come on in, completely free. It's great education if you're new. It's a great resource tool if you're an experienced trader. No strings attached. Come on in. So without further ado, let's get into the trades. So this first trade's on NNBC. This one was gapping up this morning, and I was looking for some sort of sign that this, or place that this might break out to the top side. So out of the gates, we had this drop, we had this bounce, we had another drop, we had another bounce. I just kept putting these ceilings in, another drop, another bounce. And I'm like, okay, maybe if one of these ceilings gets broken, it'll pop. So I waited, and finally we got a ceiling break right here. I went long for this break up here. I believe is where I got filled in at just a little higher. I was a little slow on this. It was a manual trade. So when I saw the break happening, I went long inside this candle here. I got filled at 768 average, and it broke all these levels, got a nice pop, and that's when I sold at 784 and 796. And as soon as I sold, it shot up like crazy. So the exit was good. It was a good first trade, but I missed the bigger move. It looked like it was going to slow down, and then a huge buy came through. So what can you do? There's the pop.
Really appreciate the content and education, big man.
Sold half. Hey. All out. Oh, seconds! This next play is on Tesla as a short. So Tesla was moving down, moving down early market hours here, or minutes, I should say. Had this drop, bounce, candle under candle, drop, candle under candle, drop, candle under candle, failed the move, bounce again, and then candle under candle. This was, if these are drop, bounce, candle under candle, drop, bounce, candle under candle, drop, bounce, candle under candle, fail because we didn't go to the low of the run like we did in the other ones. Two things can happen. This can turn into a reversal, or it can turn into an M pattern, which it just needs a second go of the breakdown. And on an M pattern, the breakdown happens right there. So I went short right when this level was breaking. When you do that, you're looking for lower the run immediately, which we got. Why that just disappeared, but you get the idea. And I held this a little longer because it just had a little bit more room down in the lower Bollinger Band, and I thought it would get there. And it opened up one more candle, it dropped all the way down, and that's when I covered. So I took 40 contracts, roughly 1605, sold 1710 or 1712 average. So this is about a $4,000 winner there. It's a very nice trade. And adios. All out. This next trade's on OPTT. This one is just a pure news play. It was a patent. Patent plays are pretty weak, but you know, they can get you 10, 20 cents sometimes, especially on a low float stock. This one comes out in news is that they have a patent out, and I hit the buy button four times. So I took 8,000 shares at 387, 86, 90, and 390. Pops up, and so inside that same candle, I sell for 391, 393, 393. So nice little profit. Patent for OPTT. I don't know if this moves well on patent news or not. 291. All right, I'll take it. This next play is what I call a 5-minute play. You have your pop, your pullback candle, and then you have your candle over candle entry right here. I was looking for, it's happening at 10 o'clock, so let me get the right through here. So the 5-minute candle over candle happens at 2020. So right here is where the candle over candle on the 5-minute happens. So I put an order to go live. I had actually 4,000 shares geared up to go live. And the price just blew past this area. Out of the 4,000 shares, I just got barely 980. So it's unfortunate, whatever. It popped up, got everything I was looking for. And when I saw that I had a partial fill, I decided to exit $140, roughly, just under 140. There goes Tesla. Got a partial fill. 980. Oh, I cannot believe I only got a partial fill. It was a delicious, delicious. I'm just gonna take it. That was a beautiful setup for a 5-minute play right there. This play is just a simple pop, pullback, candle over candle. So you can kind of see it here. Huge pop, pullback, candle over candle entry. Looking for a high of the run. You got it there, right? Rinse and repeat. Pop, pop, pop. Pullback candle, candle over candle entry right there. That's where I entered for this break. Right there. I got in at 29.72 and 29.66. And I exited on, it took a second. I was looking for high of the run and it got it. It just didn't rip through it like, this one did. So when I saw that, I started exiting 29.81, 29.76. FSR 1 minute. This is 29.74. Can you go? Come on. There we go. There we go. The run's 85. Break it. There you go. Sell it half at 81. Garbage fill. Pull out the rest. 76. Ugh. Bad fills. Oh, now it goes. So this next one is just a 1 minute play. This is a, you know, a pop, a pullback, then candle over candle entry right here. And I wasn't expecting a huge move on this because of how steep this decline was. I mean, this was a 70-cent drop. You know, it wasn't anything like this. This was a big drop. I did, however, think you'd get at least a little bit out of it, and that's what I was going for. I got long 29.80 right there at the candle over candle, and I exited 29.91. Ooh, and got a bad fill in this one, 29.70. Actually, I think I remember. I don't know how I got filled. This one was below the bid by a good bit, like 7 or 8 cents. So real unfortunate with that one. I probably can call that. I didn't get that fixed if I wanted to. In the meantime, as soon as I closed this trade, my other order went live on RKT. Let me find this one. Oh, where are you? There we are. So we had kind of this flat top on RKT right through here. Bam, bam. And I was like, okay, maybe the break of this little hump right here will, if that broke, give me a slingshot move through this double top here or flat top here, and I can take profit. And that's exactly what happened. My order got filled. It took 4,000 shares, 29.68. I really don't know how it got filled because the price never came up to this level. I don't know. I don't know how it went live. Anyway, whatever. I got filled. I complained about it a little bit. Finally, it broke the levels that I was wanting it to go. Shot up, and I sold for profit on the other side at 29.93 and 29.90, and then it broke 30 and whatever. Nice profit. Wow. Oop, got filled RKT. 68? I get filled at 60. Didn't even get up there. What? It didn't even touch my limit price. What? Okay. There's the break. Yay, I can get out. Holy crap. How'd I get filled up there? Next play here is on FSR. This is a one minute play / 5 minute play. Right through in this level, I believe. Yeah. So, you know, pop, pullback, candle over candle in the 5 minute. Here we kind of had a pop, pullback, candle over candle, grind, pullback, and it kind of set up like a what I call a W play or an ABCD play. Some other people call it, right? And this is almost like a primo setup here. It just didn't work. I got the break that I was looking for here. I got the high day break that I was looking for, and only moved by a penny. And that should have been my sign. And I got long, 30.11, 30.10, right through there. Decent fill. Got the break at 30.18. Really thought it was going to get up into the 30.50 area, and it didn't. It got high a day, and the very fact that it went high of the run, high a day, and didn't do anything, I should have cut it loose right there. And I just gave it more time and more time, more time. And finally, I stopped out as I went candle under candle, 29.90 and 29.87. FSR 1 minute play, 30.08. Looking for this little W here, maybe. 30.18. Break and then high day. Got it. Not the strongest of breakouts here. And that's a 5 minute play, 30.18. Nope. Kind of rejecting it. Second attempt. Yeah, that's a failed move. Gotta gently get out of this thing. Oh, I jinxed it. Are you kidding me? This. Okay. The low of this candle is 29.85. I got filled at 29.70. So the next trade is on GOOS. The news was that they had a partnership with the NBA, shot it up, and in typical fashion over time, news plays just sell off. So this is not something to hold. Rarely ever they hold. So they're get in, get out, get your money, get out, because it's just coming right back down. So anyway, I get over here and I know that I'm late to the game because I see it pop up, and I see it pop up, and at this point it's like hovering around 77 or 75 and the $48, 47.75 in the $48 level. It just kind of sticks there, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take a shot at it. And when I get in, it freaking blasts up to 50. I didn't get filled or get exited out there, but I did get to exit at 48.92 and 48.80 on 4,000 shares. Really nice win. NBA partnership, GOOS. I don't even know. 48. Oh, yeah. Okay.
PLTR moving.
Oh, that was a quick, big trade. Oh. This next one is I believe a 5-minute play that I was looking for. Let's see. Yeah. Hot pullback, candle over candle. I just put my order entry a little wrong. I believe I was playing that little peak as an early entry. I got long on it. Finally, it did break the 5-minute candle over candle. I went long at 29.93, 29.93, exited real quick when I just feel like it didn't go anywhere at 29.95, 29.95. And then the next trade right behind it was FSR. This is like literally a minute later. Let's go over here and find this trade. I think it was also a 5-minute play. 10-20 candle. Okay. So where before we had this kind of like flat top, right? Right through here. But finally, we're going to get that break right here. And that's when I went long. I went long 20 or 30, 20, 30, 17. Kind of got a pop, but we're running in this Bollinger Band. It really didn't give it a lot of room to run. So I exited when I could. 30, 33, 30, 34. Canada Goose or Jacket. All right, I got filled. 29.93. Oh, the 5 minutes actually 30? What the heck? What is going on? There's 79,030. Let's sell half. They ain't scared. A lot of sellers here, though. Oh, they're gonna go for it. I'm gonna sell because I don't think it's breaking at first go. So 29.30 is a 5-minute. Why did I think it was? Oh, I was just looking at this as a pivot point. That's all I was looking at. And the break of 30 is actually the 5-minute play. Can you go? Broke. Selling. Selling. Great call. You guys are making some primo call outs today. This is like it is a 5-minute, and it did break that high. It's had a rough go at this area, though. All right, first hour's in the bag, $9,334.